Okay, so this is a surprise. I wasn't expecting this till next year. And as you know, I do game streaming and everything, and um, wow. So welcome to the channel. I'm actually going to do another tech unboxing right now. Uh, I thought, honestly, I thought this was my glow-in-the-dark dog collar. I thought Amazon, because I really thought this was coming in the next year. But this is GB Operator, and it allows you to play and manage your Game Boy cartridges on your computer. And that's something I've been really wanting to do for a while, is, stream Game Boy games. I'm a big fan of handhelds. I don't consider the full Nintendo Switch a handheld because I never play it as a handheld. I do have the Lite, and that's what I use if I want to use those games as a handheld. But I really do miss the old Game Boy games. This comes from a company called Epilogue, and I think it was about, let's just say, under 60 bucks. Under 60 bucks. I don't think it reached that with tax, but I'm not too sure. Like I said, honestly, did not know this was coming this soon. I don't have everything, but I do want to do this unboxing. So, looking at the box, runs on Windows 10 or later. If I can zoom in. Brand new, I'm using my brand new Pixel 6, which I opened in a previous video. Mac OS 10, 15 or later, Linux x64. It came nicely packed. It had, this was wrapped in all this paper and everything. It was a nice small box. Everything was contained. So let's look at it. Let's look at it. I can't wait to actually use this. I'm very excited. Okay, so this is pretty tight. Alright, so here we have, thank you. You play a huge part in our mission to preserve video game history, which is very tough because if you look online about, emulation of old games, they're not that great anymore. They're really not. You move them from generation to generation because everything is so become more advanced. An 8-bit game on a 64-bit system, it's tough. So here these guys are trying to create a product that will help you play retro games. And here's the thing. I don't like piracy. I understand piracy. I don't like it. I really don't. I used to, download movies, but then I would go buy them if they were good. I like having physical things, especially cartridges. That's a big thing for me. So this makes me feel so very good to have this. And oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So let's look at what we have in the box. We have the actual system, which is a cool transparent system. You can see you can stick the cartridge in right here. Oh, I get to play the actual Tetris, not the new version that was bought out. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. I get to play the original Pokemon that I can stream. But there you go. You have all the pins and everything. You can see the board. Has a USB-C connection, which they give you the wire, with the other end being USB-A. And it's really that simple. It's really that simple. And you plug into your computer. I assume you have software to download. So there you go. Download the operator software from epilogue.co downloads. Hey, this is a huge win. It really is. So this is the unboxing. It's not much, nice cardboard boxing, recyclable, all that stuff. I don't know if I'll actually, throw this box away. I'm starting to keep more boxes just because, hey, it's nice to be able to put things away in a safe place. And, nothing can move in here. It's incredibly safe. It's secure. It's awesome. So I can't wait to use this. I can't wait to stream these games. Thank you, Epilogue, for sending this. I know I paid for it, but thank you for sending it. So there you go. that's the unboxing. I don't think anything's underneath it. My fat fingers can't really... Yeah, we pick it. Nope. Oh, here's some more. There's their stuff right there. All right, so I cannot wait to stream the Game Boy games I really want to stream. And I'm saying Game Boy like as a general term. You know, I know there's Game Boy Advance and all that stuff, and you know, color. But hey, can't wait to do it. Cannot wait to do it. So if you like these videos, if you like Pokemon card opens, I just bought a bunch of new booster boxes. As you can see in the background over there, I still have to get through a few of them. I'll do that. I'm always putting up codes. I'm always putting up gameplay. So if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, get notifications. Other than that, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.